To create a Facebook catalog, go to Facebook Commerce Manager and click on Add Catalog here. Next, select the type of catalog you want to create and click on Next. Here you can select either Upload Product Info or Connect Partner Platform. Select the Upload Product Info option if you're looking to add catalog items one by one or if you're looking to add items via a Google Sheet. You can keep yourself as the catalog owner. Then define a catalog name here and then click on Create. This will create the catalog. Click on View Catalog. On the top right, click on Add Items. To add items via Google Sheets, select Data Feed and click on Next. You can then download a template of the spreadsheet that you should use for maintaining your inventory and for syncing it to Facebook. After downloading, click on Google Sheets and then click on Next. Now let's see the template which got downloaded. In Google Sheets, you need to open the CSV file by going to File, Open, Upload, select a file from your device and then select the CSV. Here, entering the first 9 columns is mandatory. Make sure you fill it up for every product. Also make sure that you add a column named origin_country. This is mandatory if you are selling the product in India. The origin_country would be the 2-letter ISO country code, that is IN for India, US for USA, and so on. In case the origin country is not India, you need to mandatorily enter 3 more columns: importer name, importer address, and manufacturer name. For importer name, add the legal entity name of the item's importer. For importer address, you need to add the details as follows. Here, street to and region are optional, while the other fields are mandatory. Make sure that you enter the 2-letter ISO code in the country. For manufacturer's info, give info about the product's manufacturer. Coming back to Facebook Commerce Manager, you can click here on Next. Then enter the URL of sheet where you are maintaining your catalog. Make sure that the URL is accessible to anyone who has the link. Click on Next. You can then specify how often you want your catalog to be updated. Facebook will accordingly fetch the latest version of your inventory from the sheet and update the Facebook catalog accordingly. Next, give a name for your data source and choose the default currency, and then click on Upload. Once the upload is over, you will see these items appear in the item section. Also, once you've created your Facebook catalog, it is important to create collections of your products which would make it easier for your customers to find the products they want. You can create collections like this. In your catalog manager, go to Sets. We call them collections. And click on Create Set on the top right. Here you can create sets by defining some filters or by manually selecting items. If you choose to add filters, you can apply filters on any of these attributes here. Make sure you give the set name as something which your customers can see and understand, since these names will be sent to them in the product collections list message. The great thing about creating collections with filters is that whenever a new product gets added in your catalog and its attribute fulfills the filter conditions, the product will automatically be added to the collection. The next step is to add Haptik as a partner in your Facebook catalog, and then connect your catalog to your WhatsApp Business API account. Find out how here.